all of Mr. Right-Hand's hatred on fire alarms. Get out of here. Beep you. You know Right-Hand hate fire alarms.
Anyways, enjoy!
What kind of voice was that?
I hate you, fire alarm. You're the worst! Screw you! No! No more fire alarms! You suck. I hate you. You. Ryan hate you. Ryan gonna buy sushi, never mind. Yeah, take that stupid fire alarm. Ryan never coming back here. Hate you. You're trash. You're a bad boy. Bad boy. You're a bad boy. Ryan needs to use the bathroom so bad because Ryan has urge too. I hate you, fire alarm. Hate you. It's been a long time since I haven't given fire alarms hate, but now it's my chance because there's a fire alarm right here. You fire alarm, hate you, you smell, and you don't deserve friends. Gee. I hate you, fire alarm, you smell, and you don't deserve friends. You.